Commercial solar with battery backups, less grid reliance and maximum profits. And the U.S. frequent and long power outages are increasing, costing many businesses a loss of billions a day. Power outages are on the rise across the U.S., with downtime increasing by 50% over the last decade. In 2023, the NRECA reported that power disruptions cost businesses an average of $140,000 per hour, highlighting the urgent need for reliable energy solutions. The Texas winter storm in February 2021 caused severe disruptions to nearly 2 million businesses due to record cold and extended power outages. Dallas hit -2 degrees Fahrenheit, leading to a 72-hour blackout for 30% of Texas firms, resulting in $4.5 billion in economic losses. Supply chain interruptions worsened the impact, forcing many businesses to close or operate at reduced capacity. Hurricane Ida, August 2021, severely impacted businesses along the Gulf Coast, particularly in Louisiana. Over 1 million people lost power, with outages lasting up to 2 weeks. The storm caused an estimated $50 billion in damages and business disruptions. Retail, restaurant, and healthcare businesses were hit hard by power outages. Hurricane Beryl, July 2024, a Category 3 storm with 115 miles per hour winds, caused widespread damage, leaving 350,000 businesses without power for 2 weeks. The resulting losses reached $1.2 billion, severely disrupting supply chains, data centers, hospitals, and the tech sector. In response, many companies are exploring alternative solutions to boost resilience. These disruptions highlight the urgent need for resilient energy solutions. To reduce the risks of grid dependence, many businesses are adopting commercial solar with battery backup systems for reliable, continuous power. Here's why they're the smart choice: uninterrupted power supply, cost savings, energy independence, environmental impact. Recommended options for businesses for embracing solar by solarSME. solarSME is a leading solar service provider in the U.S., offering premier clean and renewable energy solutions designed to meet the highest standards of efficiency and sustainability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel.